Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today in this video we will see how to send disappearing messages on emo. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to send disappearing messages on emo. It is because you want to set a timer for messages because you want the messages to get deleted after a while. So therefore you are looking for it, or maybe there's any other reason for you. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can enable the disappearing messages for emo. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure you have already installed Emo app in your mobile phone, and if you have not installed it, then you can still install it from Google Play Store and App Store. Once it get installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. Simply tap on the icon of the Emo to open the app. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the emo app looks. Here we have different options all over the screens. Right now we are into the chat section, and along with that we have call and different options. From all these options we have to click on our profile icon, which is on the top left side of the screen. So just simply tap on it to get more options. There on the top it is written me, and we have a lot of options here. So from all these options, what we have to do is we have to click on the settings, which is the third option. You can see you just have to simply click on it to get into it. Once you get into the settings, you will again see a lot of options. Here every option has its own purpose that it performs, and it is different from every other options. So from all these options, what we have to do is we just have to click this option which says privacy. That's the second option. Once you tap on it, you will get into security and privacy, and all these options are related to some stuff of that in which you could secure account, as all these options are here to secure our personal stuff and our account. So for that we will see how we can turn on the disappearing messages. So for that, just simply click on the first option, which is chat and call privacy. Once you tap on it, at the top you will see its title. That means we are at the right place, and we have a lot of different options. So here we have first option, which is time machine. So here the disappearing messages have a different name, which is time machine. So what it happens that if you enable this option, then all the chats if you have done with someone, then all that chat will be deleted on its own after a few times. But if you want to do disappearing messages for selective chats, then this option is not available in the emo. This option will work for all the chats. So if you want to continue, just simply click on this option, and this option will get enabled. After that, all your chat will be deleted on its own when you turn on this option. So that's how you can do disappearing messages on emo by just enabling the time machine option from these options. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can do disappearing messages on emo. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.